Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Zelle for online shopping. Let's get straight into the video. First step, you gotta look for the Zelle payment option at checkout on the merchant's website, and then you want to choose Zelle as your payment method and select your bank or credit union. Next, you want to authenticate with your bank or credit union using your online banking credentials, and then you got to review and confirm your payment details, including of course the payment amount and the recipient. Next, you want to complete the payment and the funds will be transferred from your bank account to the merchant. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Zelle for online shopping. Very quick video because there wasn't much there. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.